may be wondering why that truck is sounding so funny right now. It's because I pulled the V8 engine out that came in this vehicle. It was a stock engine with it was a 4.6 liter V8. I pulled it out because it burned up, and so I said, you know, I'm going to keep this truck. It's a good truck, but what I'm going to do is put a diesel engine in it. So I found this 4BT Cummins turbocharged diesel engine. I put it in this truck, and we're going to drive down the road with it. And this is also what I do. My company does this. This is also the inside. I made my own dashboard. It's an old work truck, but that's okay. We're going to do some work with it. PSI. It's an old work truck. Spare tire, got a lift gate. Eagle lifts, they make really great lifts. And here's the diesel exhaust there. And here is a F150. I put my own bumper. I didn't want this bumper, so I put a different bumper on there. Anyway, here we are. Little 4BT Cummins turbocharged diesel engine. Little off-tuning batteries. Didn't have a V8 in here anymore, so we just cover that up. But that's basically the engine right there. It's kind of 4BT Cummins 1-cylinder injector pump type. Booster will run that. Passes inspection, so it's not a problem. See if we can get a picture of this transmission. It's an Allison bus transmission. So now we're going to go down, drive the down the highway, and listen to this thing run all down the highway. By the way, my company also does diesel engine generators, and we also do conversions to where we can take a vehicle that had a gasoline engine in it and convert it to electric, or we can convert it to diesel. So if you're interested in any of that kind of thing being done, just go to earthlinemanufacturing.com, look me up there, give me a call, and we'll set you up an appointment, and we'll do this to a Chevrolet or a Ford or any other vehicles you have or want to get converted to electric or diesel. That's what I do. That's what my company does. And so we're going to get in this truck, we're going to drive down the highway, and we're going to see this thing run. Put on the old seat belt. That's the booster. This does the booster. This is Allison bus transmission connector there, and 40 right now. Driving down the little old road. Little Cummins just purring like a little kitten. Rides like a champion. Nothing back here in the back. A little bit of rain coming down. Back in dry. This is 4th speed. Doing about 55, 60, somewhere around in there. So, thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, go to earthlinemanufacturing.com and we'll definitely get you fixed up, and we can do these conversions for you anytime you want. So thank you for listening and have a nice day.